Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial video on how to access the vocabulary icon. I've already logged into my SDMC and I've already turned off the pesky notification that generally pops up right here. We are looking for the vocabulary icon, which is green with a check mark. You're going to open it by double clicking on it and Clever is going to sign you in. So I have all of my classes. I can invite you all into the class with a link, or I can just input your email and that's how you'll get in there, and that just gives you some information. But what I want you to see is what you're able to do while you're in here. So I can give you assignments and I can also give you a quiz, and we can play the vocabulary jam. The vocabulary jam is super fun. It takes off the ease sometimes. I know you do a lot in class, and not just my class but other classes. So this will allow you guys to play a game, but you're learning at the same time. And I will have prizes for the winning team, so take it serious. I love a little competition. For the practicing, it assists you in practicing how to spell and how to apply. We don't want you just to regurgitate information. We want you to actually be able to apply it, which is why this is really good. I need you to know that the quizzes are graded. Okay, this is what it looks like, and it's going to ask you different questions like this. What does multifaceted mean? And you can say many-sided. Okay. You could say misguided. It says he is sincere, but maybe misguided by his passion. So what does it mean? It probably means led astray. Okay. So we can go ahead and stop that, and it'll tell you if you have a 100% or what you did wrong. It also will send me information on what you struggled with. But the thing that I love is that it automatically grades for me. So all I have to do is go into the teacher page and see what grade you got and put that in the grade book. So what I'm saying is I need you to take the vocabulary very seriously, because I will be using those quiz grades and putting those right into your actual grade and focus, okay? But I just wanted to show you how to access that. If you are in my class and for some reason after a few days you still haven't received an invitation, or you don't have a class on vocabulary.com, please let me know and I will add you. And that's it.